So tell me what's cooking. Everybody mixing to the beat. Tell me what's cooking. Everybody whip it on your feet. Tell me what's cooking. You and me, we got the perfect team. Tell me what's cooking.
In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go, leave me here all alone, I'll be waiting, we can make it, because I know that after all this time, you'll read between these lines. Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing all this. Waiting, 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 I'll call you mine. I know you feel this. Reminiscing on the time when we first met. I was tongue-tied, stupefied. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense. But you remembered a year later when I saw you next. When I told you that I need to hold you, you said come right on over. I could not wait to show you. I cherish all your life. And after all this time,